Have you ever stopped and asked yourself why one person keeps showing up in your mind even when there's nothing between you anymore? No calls, no messages, no seeing each other, nothing. Time keeps moving. One day turns into another. Then weeks go by, months pass, and somehow that person is still there. You're living your life, doing what you're supposed to do, talking to people, smiling when it makes sense. But somewhere inside, quietly, their name still comes up. That doesn't happen by accident. It's not just your brain being bored. It's not random thoughts drifting in. When someone stays with you like that without any communication, it usually means the connection went deeper than you realized. Deeper than logic. Deeper than explanations you can give yourself, because silence has its own weight. Sometimes not hearing from someone makes you feel them more. Sometimes distance doesn't weaken a bond, it exposes it. And when someone really connects with you, time doesn't erase them. Lack of contact doesn't push them out. They stay. Think about it. Out of so many people you've crossed paths with, why is it always the same one your mind returns to? Why do they show up late at night when everything is quiet? Why do certain songs remind you of them? Certain places, certain moments you didn't expect to feel anything at all. Real connection isn't built on constant talking. It never was. It's not about checking in every day or keeping conversations alive. It's about how someone makes you feel, how they affect you, how they stay with you even when they're gone. When someone lives in your thoughts without being present, it means they reached you past the surface. They changed something inside you. They became part of your internal world, part of your story, whether you planned for that or not. And the heart doesn't follow rules. It doesn't care about timelines. It doesn't erase people just because they're not around anymore. The heart remembers, it holds on. It brings people back into your thoughts, even when your mind tells you it's time to move forward. And maybe the reason they're still there is because the connection wasn't one-sided. Sometimes the person you keep thinking about feels it too. Maybe not openly, maybe not in the same way. But connection doesn't disappear just because nobody says anything. That doesn't always mean they're meant to stay forever. Some people come into your life to shift you, to teach you something, to wake something up inside you. But sometimes it means the bond itself is real, even if the situation didn't last. So when you notice your thoughts drifting back to them, don't fight it. Don't be frustrated with yourself. Ask yourself what that feeling is pointing to. Maybe it's reminding you that what you felt mattered. Maybe it's showing you that connection isn't about presence, it's about impact. If someone stays in your mind without communication, they're more than just a memory. There's something you carry quietly, something no one else sees while you keep moving forward. And there's something real about that, because true connection doesn't always come with words. It doesn't always come with closure. Sometimes it's just that quiet pull that never fully leaves. That familiar feeling that shows up again and again, no matter how much time passes. So if they're still in your thoughts, take it as a sign that what you felt was real. A sign that hearts don't forget easily. A sign that silence doesn't mean nothing, it means something unspoken. And who knows, maybe one day paths cross again, maybe one day the quiet ends. Until then, sit with the truth. If someone is always in your mind without any communication, it means something real happened between you. Something words were never enough to explain. If this message connected with you, like the video, share it with someone who needs to hear it and subscribe for more honest thoughts like this. Sometimes your heart already understands what your mind is still trying to figure out.